Hello everyone, my name is Victor, and I'm a professional demolition expert. We're here today at the super top secret object with Russian biggest tech portal, hightechmail.ru. And we're going to test how robust actually is this marvel of a smartphone. It's not even sold in Russia yet. It has a simple Russian title though, Honor 7. The manufacturer claims that its fully metal body is made out of aviation-grade aluminum. It should have super solid glass and there's super sturdy assembly. So there's absolutely no way to kill the phone, and we're gonna check that out. And explode it. Explode. Explode. Well, we're ready. We've just laid the explosive. The only thing left is to set up the phone and turn on the camera. Let it shoot from the very epicenter of the explosion. We'll see how it goes. Come on then. 3, 2, 1. Well, let's see. What do we have here? There's a little suit. We can watch. The phone was not hurt really. Works as good as new. I suggest we lay a little more explosives. We're good. Let's see what comes out of this. 3, 2, 1. Don't stop rolling. I cannot see the phone yet. Perhaps it was blown off by the explosion. Look at this. Amazing. The phone works. Looks like the build, the aluminum body, and the reliable glass did the job. The only thing I can say is don't do stuff like this at home. It might be dangerous. All that you've just seen was done by the professionals. Let me remind you, Honor 7 had been exploded by Victor exclusively for the Russian biggest tech portal, hightechmail.ru. Subscribe to the channel, leave your likes and comments.